Is it actually possible to earn affiliate income on Pinterest without a website? Yes, if you know the best practices to follow and the mistakes to avoid so your account doesn't get flagged as spam. So you can start making sales today. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. Today, I'm showing you how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing without a website. I'll show you how to choose the right affiliate programs that actually allow for Pinterest promotion, the best practices to keep your account safe and compliant, exactly where to add your affiliate links, and the top tool I recommend to create and publish pins in seconds, not hours. Stick around to the end and I'll share how I make ready-to-use pins in under a minute so you can finally stop trading your time for money and start earning faster. If you haven't already watched our Pinterest Affiliate Marketing for Beginners video, I recommend checking it out next. It covers all of the basics and why we usually suggest having a simple website. But if you're ready to start without one, this guide will show you how to do it the right way. The first thing you need to do is choose the right affiliate program. Most affiliate programs require a website, blog, email, newsletter, or strong social presence to approve an application. This is why we often recommend starting with a simple website, as it's the easiest way to get approved and gives you the most flexibility later on. But if you don't have a website, you'll need to search for programs that allow signups without one. A quick Google search for affiliate programs in your home country that don't require a website can help. A few well-known options that you can look into are Amazon Associates, sometimes you need one, sometimes you don't, ClickBank, and Rakuten Advertising. Again, a Google search for affiliate programs in your country without a website is ideal for finding the ones that will work best for you. Once you're approved for an affiliate program, you'll need to follow Pinterest best practices to avoid common mistakes and keep your account in good standing. The first is always use the full affiliate link. Pinterest does not like URL shorteners, cloakers, or redirects. And even though it will let you post a shortened URL, it will flag your account and potentially ban you if you use them. So avoid. Second, and this is so important, it is required by law to disclose that it's an affiliate link. Whether other people are doing it or not, this is the requirement. To do this, all you have to do is add #affiliate or a simple sentence, "This post contains affiliate links." You can put it in the description or on the image, just somewhere super easy to see and very clear. Disclosure is required, so don't forget this. Third, focus on original, useful content. Pinterest wants more than just a copy paste of all the product photos from Amazon or wherever you find this product. So whenever possible, buy the product, use the product, and create your own images or even a short video. Show how it works, create a simple lifestyle collage, or write a little review about it. The more you add your own perspective and personality, the better your reach will be and the more trust you'll build with your viewers. And finally, if product tagging is available in your country, it's the best way to attach an affiliate link. I'll walk you through how to do that and where to add that URL in the next section. Once you're approved and you know the rules, it's time to create pins and add your links. The best practice and Pinterest preferred method is to manually upload each pin and use the product tagging feature. So when you tag a product inside Pinterest, the platform will recognize the relationship and treat the pin like a native shopping pin. This means you don't have to add a separate destination URL, and the disclosure for an affiliate link is already built in. So if product tagging is available in your country, this is the gold standard. That said, many creators, including me, work at scale and can't manually upload every single pin. So if you want to speed things up, you can add affiliate links in the destination URL field when you create a regular pin. Pinterest confirmed this as of June 2025 that direct affiliate URLs are allowed as long as you use the full link, follow the disclosure rules, and provide original, valuable content. I'll link Pinterest policy in the video description so you can read it for yourself. And if you use a bulk creation tool like Pin Generator, you'll have two time-saving options to add your URLs. The first is bulk settings. After generating the pins, open the left-hand panel and you'll see the bulk settings option. Here, you can edit titles, descriptions, and outbound links across every design at once. So if you paste your affiliate link here, it applies to all the pins instantly. What a time saver. And the second is the CSV upload feature. For large campaigns with multiple products or URLs, you can create a simple spreadsheet listing the pin titles, image URLs, boards, and affiliate links, and upload that CSV file to Pin Generator, and it will automatically build all your pins with all the links and all the information. And both methods will let you customize further, swapping images, editing fonts, rewriting descriptions, and doing whatever you need to do before publishing. And for maximum reach, many creators will combine a few approaches. They'll create and generate pins in a bulk creation tool such as Pin Generator, and then set aside time each week or use the VA to manually add the product tags to their highest performing pins. That way they get Pinterest's preferred tagging benefits without slowing down production. So those are my top tips for Pinterest affiliate marketing without a website. If you'd like to go deeper or have questions, leave them in the comments below. And if this walkthrough helped you get started, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next Pinterest marketing tutorial. I'm Max. I publish weekly Pinterest marketing videos to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.